Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Oh yeah, the Galaxy AI is there, and the new phone, of course, is epic just like that. Unleash the new ways to create, connect and more. The new era of mobile AI is there. We can make live translate, note assistant, generative edit, and chat assist. Every included. We have nice design. That means it is sleek, strong, and stunning. Now it comes in titanium. The next step in touch. Experience the S24 Ultra through a 6.8-inch flat display with embedded S Pen. And the S Pen is really cool. It is a good feature to draw a little bit, to scratch and so on. But we have more, because our phone now is armored up with titanium. We check out the upgrades. A new sturdy shield of titanium built right into the frame. That means we have better scratch resistant with Corning Gorilla Armor. This armor helps protect our screen from scratches to keep our device looking beautiful, no matter what day is going to be. And worry-free water and dust resistance. We don't let the wood dampen our spirits. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is IP68 water and dust resistant, so we're ready for every adventure, puzzles and more. Of course, it is not for deep diving, okay? Samsung says 1.5 meter submersion, up to 30 minutes. Okay, so take care a little bit. And we have good and nice colors on the market. A lot of colors are there. Titanium blue, titanium yellow, titanium violet. We hear in that video to show. Titanium black, titanium gray, titanium orange, and titanium green, blue, and yellow. Really cool. And the Galaxy AI is epic just like that. We can circle to search. We circle it, and after this we can find it. This is a new way to search, is there with the circle to search with Google. While scrolling or watching videos, we use the S Pen, which is included, or our finger to circle items and get the Google search results. And we stumble up on a photo of a plant, so beautiful that we just have to know what it is. We circle and tap it. Ta-da! We will get the Google search results. Now we can quickly get an answer without leaving our feed. Circle to search, baby. Oh, that's a cool feature. And we never be lost in translation. That means we have a live translate system. We break down the language barriers over the phone or texting with live translate. We find the right words fast. We get a real-time tone suggestion to make our writing sound more professional or conversational. And note assist. We can summarize in the blink of an AI. The note assist makes a long story short. Simply start writing and an AI formats our notes into a clear, easy-to-review summary. And epic for business, just like that. We elevate our work with the most epic Galaxy yet, featuring the game-changing power of Galaxy AI, from researching on the spot to capturing every detail of our projects day or night, unleash new ways to stay productive, collaborate, and more. And we make stunning photos, and it's with AI too. We have 200 megapixel wide angle and a 2x optical quality zoom camera built in, an ultra wide 12 megapixel camera, and a 50 megapixel 5x optical zoom and 10x optical quality zoom camera, and a 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom, and a 12 megapixel selfie camera. That's a lot of camera in one device. We capture details that rival reality with 200 megapixel. We meet the industry standard for camera quality with the most megapixels available on a smartphone. Pro Visual Engine improves color tone and brings our detail in every photo. And we zoom into the dark with nightography. With 1.6er larger pixels and a wider tailor OIS, the space zoom makes even distant, low-light subjects clearly stunning in both photos and videos. And that's a nice stuff. Super HDR, the AI from previews to the post. With the latest Super HDR upgrade and an AI assist, instantly see what we're super vivid pics and videos will look like before we take them. Even works when we are shooting within social media apps. And we speed up and power. This is a game-changing combination. Victory can be ours with the new Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 for the Galaxy. Graphics render in real time with the ray tracing for hyper-realistic shadows and reflections. And nearly double the size of the vapor chamber to improve the dissipations for a smooth graphics experience. And an all-day battery to play on and on. That means we watch videos up to 30 hours and we listen to music up to 95 hours. And we have the brightest adaptive mobile display. Corning Gorilla Armor reduces deflections and improve visual clarity, even in direct sunlight. Improve the vision booster and enhance contrast and color for a clearer, exceptionally experience. And with the built-in S Pen writes a whole new chapter. The legacy of Galaxy Note is alive and well. We right tab and navigate with precision on the folded flat display. That's all in the new, nice Galaxy S24 Ultra. Oh, that looks beautiful.